Air fryer and oven, a new product from Porodo. With its distinct feature and superior performance, this device helps you enjoy cooking your favorite meal even more. It's constructed from stainless steel. With the power of 1700 watts, it consumes low energy, saving on energy cost. It boasts a large 14.5-liter capacity, making it perfect choice for preparing meals for parties and family gatherings. A single basket and baking tray are included, allowing you to prepare various dishes. 12 preset modes for baking, roasting, rotisserie, drying, frying, and grill, making your job easier. It features turbo air technology, ensuring rapid and even air circulation inside the container, resulting in crispy and deliciously cooked food. High heat resistance prevents potential contact with the hot surface of the device. The timer allows for precise control over the cooking time, up to 2 hours. Its digital touch control panel provides easy access to your desired setting. Inside the package, there is a deep tray, cage tongue, rotisserie fork, wire rack, and a mesh basket. With the Porodo dual-purpose air fryer and oven with the touch control, enjoy the experience of easy and delicious cooking. To place an order, get in touch with us.